Okay, check out this situation here. I got it throttle pinned, roughly 4 volts, 3.9 volts. And this is a big throttle body with a big wheel on it. I'm thinking I gotta make a smaller wheel, but it's pinned. Okay, no wonder we're only 3.99 volts. So, can I find a smaller wheel for this? Maybe I'll rob one off that new Holley throttle body, or maybe OEM, but I don't want to go any further until I get this figured out. No point in tuning when you don't have watt. All right, I'm not done yet. I'm back in the house now, and it wasn't working. I couldn't swap the pulley from the original one or any original Honda one onto the BMS throttle body because it was too small. The shaft size on the original one is too small. The Holley shaft actually was the correct size on the Holley throttle body, so that one I swapped over, and it was too difficult getting everything else to line up. The throttle stop, everything is in the wrong position, so that's no good. Also, it's kind of a waste to rob a perfectly good pulley off a brand new Holley throttle body. Yeah, basically rendering that useless. So at least I can use it on something else. So then I thought, hey, I'll mod the pedal, because I've no stranger to modding pedals on the domestics. So I figured if I extend on the top of it, I'll get more travel, right? But the problem with extending the top of it is that the pedal is so close to the firewall, you get this very sharp angle of the cable going through the firewall to the point where it's rubbing at a really bad angle, and you would definitely feel that. It would not be smooth, not great. So rather than move the pivot point downwards, which would be probably way too much work, what I'm gonna do is chop the pedal below the pivot point and re-weld it in a more forward position, so I'll have more downward travel before the pedal bottoms out on the floor. So I'll try to bend it, put a double bend on it, but more than likely I'll have to cut and weld just so the pedal doesn't raise super high, right? So that's the best plan I have right now, and I'll try it probably tomorrow. Hopefully tomorrow, I got free time. But if anybody has any brighter ideas, or if the manufacturer's listening, I doubt it. If they have any ideas, yeah, let me know, because I'm 100% positive the throttle plate should open straight, right? Closed. Right now we're about here. I want it to be here. I want it to be totally straight. Makes sense? Simple enough? Yeah, so if you have any bright ideas, let me know in the comments below. Otherwise, I'm gonna have to make this work tomorrow. Alright, thanks for watching. I'll post up some pictures on the Instagram. Probably, it's a lot easier from the phone in the garage doing that. But I'll, maybe pictures of the progress. Thanks for watching. Peace out.